Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a game offer on Swagbucks. And the best part? You won't actually have to play the game yourself. The game is called C Block 101, and right now there's an offer where you can earn up to $2075 just by reaching level 40. Even better, if you sign up using my referral link, you'll get an extra $10 bonus, even if you don't finish all the levels. Now, while the game itself is pretty easy, it's also super grindy. You'll be stuck watching ads and playing for hours every day. Honestly, it gets miserable real fast. So instead of torturing ourselves, why not let a program do all the work? In this video, I'll walk you through how to automate the whole thing. Let's dive in.
Let's first test the block shape detections. I use some screenshots to test the function. Let's run the test and check. You see the green boxes? That means the block has been detected. Okay, everything looks good. Let's test the board detection now. Let's run it. See the green boxes and matrix? Perfect, all matches.
Now let's start the automation program. Some errors. Let me check. Okay, I forgot to unlock my phone. Let's try again. Okay, it's running now.
While it's running, let me tell you what you need. First, you need a Mac. I did not test on Windows, but I do see some people running Xcode on Windows. Second, you need an Apple developer account. Free version is okay, but you need to rebuild the automation every 7 days. Third, you need an ad blocker. There are a lot of free ad blocker apps. Choose anyone you like, and that's it.
Some tip while you are running the code. 1. Do play manually for a while after enabling ad blocker. This is to ensure all cache-long ads are cleared since the automation only detect and close pop-up ads. 2. Stop the ad blocker when reaching the checkpoints like level 10, level 20. This is to ensure your progress get tracked. I did skip some checkpoints while running the code myself. It still got tracked after I reached next checkpoint. But to be safe, you should try to stop ad blocker before the checkpoints. 3. You will see blocks fail to stay on the board sometimes. This is normal. It will retry itself.
Now check out the code. Set it up and enjoy the earning. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. More automations are coming.